Okay, today we are going to make a fireplace screen. It's going to look kind of like what you're seeing here. We got 39 wide, 36 tall. I think we're going to do 1/4 inch flat bar for this. Might be slightly wobbly. The piece of glass is 3/16. Maybe a little light for what I'd like to do, but it should work. Down here on the bottom, the drawing has 1-inch round supports. There's no chance I'm doing 1-inch round. That's just way too excessive. It'll probably end up being 1/2 inch, and you'll probably see that in the final product. But it's going to be a fun project. I haven't never done a fireplace screen before, so this will be fun. Let's get to it. Well, I meant to record framing the square, welding the square, getting it all laid out. I didn't because I forgot to press the button. I just went ahead and did it, going too fast. So it's together, and now the next thing we're going to see is me talking about how I'm going to secure the glass to the frame. Okay, so here's what I worked up to attach the glass to this fireplace screen. It's 39 by 36, and originally I was going to make another one of these squares and sandwich it together. That seemed a little excessive. So here we've got these tabs. I drilled and tapped some just small cut off pieces of steel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this guy on there like that, drop a screw in. So we got one here on the bottom, one here on the bottom, one here on the top, one here on the top, and I think all together that will keep the glass pretty well secure. Okay, fireplace screen standing up on its own. It's only tied together, so we'll fix that out, but it does stand, it does appear to work. That's a relief. Woo! Okay, so here's the finished screen. Looks pretty good, I think. It's in front of my fireplace where it's not going to live permanently because it would be ridiculously large. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, and hey, hit subscribe if you want to see more stuff. There's a lot of good stuff coming soon in the next couple weeks.